What's great about our company and our product is how organized it is when it comes. Every device is individually wrapped. We include everything you're going to need: the device, the harness, the T-tips, double-sided tape, zip ties, and even the screws. The device is only going to need 2 wires to work. That's going to be hot and ground. There they are right there. And it's going to easily just plug into the device, and it's going to be ready for use. All right, going back to the starter disable. It's pretty simple actually. We're going to click the left arrow to the vehicle that we will want to disable. This will show the history of the vehicle, where it's been. And right here you're going to be able to see the starter enable disable. We can set up speed alerts, so if it exceeds a certain mile per hour you can put anything you want. Let's go ahead and disable it. We're going to say OK to that. Okay, and as you can see, it is now disabled. Vehicle will not start. I'll show right now how the starter disable works. So the office has shut off the starter, so it's disabled through the internet. You can also do it through your smartphone. And it won't shut off the car if you're actually moving, as I am right now, but I'm going to stop my car and turn it off. And now I will attempt to restart my car. And the starter, as you can see, is not functioning. So if you do have a client, or if you have a customer, or you need to disable the vehicle, this is the end result. Now if we want to just enable it again, we just need to click, whoops, wrong one. Click enable. And there you go. It's now enabled. The car will start now. It's as simple as that. You're also able to pull up some really detailed reports, which is nice. We can go back and click on history of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and submit a report. And this will pull up the locations it's been. So you can kind of see it mainly stays at these addresses here. The car was, it looks like, in Bisbee. We can go ahead and check to see where the vehicle was. And that was the location of the vehicle just a couple days ago. So pretty incredible technology here. Obviously, this is a great way to protect your assets. These are only $119. That includes the service. Installation is very easy. It's only 2 wires, a hot and a ground. All this is included, and we ship out the same day. Okay, a signal's now been sent through the internet to enable the car. Now I will start it back up, and there you go. So this is a function that we have on our GPS devices. Again, $119, that includes the service. Also a 3-year warranty. So contact us if you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss GPS tracking technology. Before we actually do the starter disable, I just wanted to show what it'll look like when you have a bunch of accounts in your GPS tracking device system. So we're just going to kind of click these, and as you can see, they're kind of popping up. These are individual customers, and on a daily basis, you're almost just able to go in and kind of see where everybody's at. This is certainly not Big Brother. It's just checking to see where your portfolio is. This is where your money is. And, you know, if somebody was out of state, you can scroll and see where everybody's at. And this is obviously the Indianapolis area. There's the map of the U.S., and you can kind of see where all your cars are. So very cool And if you really wanted to, you can zoom in on a specific customer. And then boom, you're able to see exactly where they're located. So very, very powerful tool to have if you need any sort of asset tracking or to protect your vehicles. This is another shot of another account that we have, and kind of see this is obviously a Texas dealership. But again, here's a customer that is really close to the border. Really close to the border, and if we wanted to, we can kind of scroll in and see where exactly they're at. And this will show you exactly why making an investment like this is so key. You're able to actually go in, and we can scroll in and see exactly where this customer's at, because again, they're right next to the border, and we can see they're at the day's end in that parking space. So very, very, very important tool to have if you have any sort of assets that you need to be able to track. When you place an order with us, all orders go out the same day. We have overnight delivery available and 2-day air as well. It also comes with a very helpful install guide, step-by-step instructions. Also has a very detailed outline of the device, install instructions, the wiring. If you're only going to use the basic GPS, it's only 2 wires, a hot and a ground. And if you use starter disable, that's a relay which we'll also send to you. We also have a very helpful do and don't list, the biggest mistakes that installers do make. And so the do's and the don'ts will be included in every order.